don't you see that practice will be required only for such tasks which are absolutely meaningless? For example, a parrot requires a lot of practice. To do what? To do what? But is that of any consequence? Does it matter really whether a parrot speaks or not? Is it not? Is it
Playing some game, you need to practice in that game.
So like rap.
true? Right. But then, are you really practicing it, or are you there in the game enjoying it? See, these are two different things. One is I am practicing. The second is I am playing the game and practice is happening. One thing is, why are you going? I'm going to practice. Second is, why are you going? I'm going to play, and in the process of playing, practice is happening. Which one would you rather do?
Sir, but you have for playing you have to reach some basic steps.
Not really. Is there not a day when you first pick up the TT bag? Is there not a day when you first pick up the TT bag? Do you really have any level at that day? Is there not a day when you first pick up the cricket ball? Do you have any level at that day? And how are you going to learn faster? By enjoying the game or by practicing? And in enjoyment, is practicing not happening automatically? Yes. At the same time, can you really practice if you are not enjoying? How long can you sustain your practice if you are not enjoying? In the process of enjoyment, is not practice happening automatically? What comes first then? Why should you do them at all? That is the question. Are there not better things to do in life? तुम ये ऐसे काम करो ही क्यों कि जिसमें सिर्फ तुमको रिपीटेटिव चीज़ें करनी है.
But there
For example, there are many, of course there are people doing it. You go to any government office, you will find clerks who are practicing all their life because they are doing things repeatedly. Fundamentally the same task all their life. Are they not doing that? यही होता है ना. Monotonous jobs का मतलब सुना तुमने कभी? Routine, regular, monotonous jobs. Have you heard of them? वो यही तो करते हैं. एक ही काम बार बार करे जा रहे हैं. Would you want to be in such a situation? वही एक ही काम जिंदगी भर कर रहे हो, यही करना है. Would you want to be in such a situation? And if you are really into something, won't excellence come on its own? जो काम तुमको करना पसंद है, क्या उसमें excellence अपने आप ही नहीं आ जाएगी? तुम उसी को बार बार करोगे, क्योंकि पसंद है, तो excellence क्या अपने आप नहीं आएगी?
that's you need practice.
You don't need practice. Practice happens. Practice happens in the process of enjoyment.
Yes, sir. So we have to do practice.
Are you doing practice or are you enjoying? Yes. Are you doing practice or are you enjoying?
Some practice, but practice is being done.
Practice is happening on its own. तुम नहीं कर रहे हो. तुम enjoyment में हो. You are there, fully present in the exercise or in the game or in the problem or in the question or in the lecture. Practice is just happening. देखो तुम लोगों का जो सवाल है यहाँ पे मूलभूत रूप से पता है क्या है? फंडामेंटल रूप से कि सर क्या खुद को मार करके रूटीन फॉलो करना ज़रूरी है? और तुम मुझसे कहना चाहते हो कि हाँ ज़रूरी है. अपने आप को बिल्कुल ख़त्म कर दो और रूटीन फॉलो करो, ज़िंदगी में यही ज़रूरी है और ऐसे ही ज़िंदगी बनेगी. और मैं तुमसे कह रहा हूँ नहीं, ये डेड रूटीन फॉलो करना कहीं से कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. तुम लोगों ने यहाँ आने के लिए शायद प्रैक्टिस का रूट फॉलो करा होगा और तुम आ इसलिए गए क्योंकि अनफॉर्चुनेटली सब तुम्हारे जैसे ही हैं. सभी प्रैक्टिस का ही रूट फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो अंधों में गाना राजा हो गया. पर हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होगा. Even in a comparative way, the man who enjoys his work will always be better than the man who does a lot of practice. Even in comparative terms, you will lose out in life. This route that I am a great follower and such, this will not take you far. Even in a comparative term, if you are trying to be competitive, ये है वो है, this is important, that is important. Are you understanding? तुम्हें से कितने लोगों ने जेई कोचिंग ली? How many of you? कोटा वाले कितने हैं? के और टी है? और वहाँ बार बार यही बोला गया था ना, घिसो घिसो खूब महंगाई करो, राइट? यही कराया गया है ना। हार्ड वर्क इज द की टू सक्सेस, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट, करत करत अभ्यास थे जड़मति होत सुजान। हाँ, घिसते घिसते तो हो ही जाता है, घिसो मगो, राइट? दैट्स द रूट दैट यू हैव टेकन सो फार. But this is the time when you can take an alternative route as well. Which route is not of dead learning, but of attention. Attention that leads to joy. Are you understanding this? Dead practice will only make you dead. Dead repetition will only bring further deadness. Are you your own enemy? तुम क्या नहीं चाहते कि तुम काम को एंजॉय करो, या रिपीट करना पसंद है? यस, हाउ कैन वी बी अटेंटिव? राइट नाउ आर यू अटेंटिव? यस यू आर. डिड यू आस्क मी हाउ कैन यू बी अटेंटिव? यू आर जस्ट अटेंटिव, राइट? Just attentive, without even knowing that you are attentive. There is the question of following a method or a process in this. Are you not attentive right now? मेरी आँख में आँख तुमने घुसेड़ रखी है, ऐसे देख रहे हो मुझको. अटेंशन और किसको बोलते हैं? यही तो है. This is attention. You are attentive right now. And this quality of attention flows from moment to moment. You cannot have an inventory कि अभी attention है आगे रहेगी. You are pretty much attentive right now. Just that you have not put a label on it. And that label is not important. That label is not at all important. You are attentive. But then again, all throughout your education has told you that there must be certain techniques for everything. So for even a simple thing like attention, you are asking for a technique. Whereas you are already attentive. You do not require any technique. There can be 1,000 techniques for inattention. Inattention means lack of attention. But there can be no technique for attention. That's as good as asking, I mean, Smitak will get up and ask me, sir, how will we come to know whether a flower is beautiful? There is no technique for knowing that a flower is beautiful. It is just beautiful. It is just beautiful, is it not? कोई टेक्निक है उसमें? Is there a technique? It's effortlessness. बस बैठे हो, देख रहे हो, टेंशन है, और क्या है उसमें? हाँ, टेक्निक लगाने लग जाओगे तो टेंशन चला जाएगा. सिर्फ सुने. असल में ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत प्राइमरी लेवल पे आ जानी चाहिए एजुकेशन में. वो आती नहीं है, बड़ी बड़ी बातें आना शुरू हो जाती हैं. दीज आर वेरी फंडामेंटल थिंग्स. अटेंशन इज अटेंशन. देयर इज़ नो पैरेलल प्रोसेसिंग इन दैट. जब सुन रहे हो तो सिर्फ सुनो, ठीक है? जब सुन रहे हो तो सिर्फ सुनो. उसको इवेल्युएट मत करो, उसको कंपेयर मत करो, उससे कंक्लूजन्स मत निकालो, सिर्फ सुनो. और सुनना काफ़ी है, सुनना काफ़ी है. पर तुम्हारी ट्रेनिंग ऐसी हुई है कि सिर्फ सुनना काफ़ी नहीं है, मुझे उसके साथ कुछ करना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि मैं इंजीनियर हूँ, क्योंकि मैं डूअर हूँ, मुझे कुछ ना कुछ तो करना ही है ना उसके साथ. तो छोड़ कैसे दूँ? छोड़ जो है सो है, जो सुनना जा रहा है बस उसको देख के ये सुना जा रहा है. उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं.